Hello guys, good afternoon. Today is Thursday, so it is Thursday, April 17th. We are in the afternoon. Now, I receive a lot of emails from subscribers, from viewers here in the United States or outside the United States, asking for more information about my strategy, and some suggest paid services. Now, before I was against giving stocks. Okay, stocks, what does it mean? It means, for me, when I search, I always search for stocks. So it is a continuous thing because it's my job. Okay, it's my job where to put my money. Now, stock selection and waiting for those stocks to have a signal, this is the most important thing that I do always, each day. Okay, it doesn't mean that I do 3 hours or 4 hours searching. No, it's just a little bit. Some I do in the weekend when I'm having free time, more free time. Just I search again. Those who have found the signal on the same day, if I have money, I buy them. But almost of the time, it's too much. I find too much, I can't buy too much. Okay? If for example, today or yesterday or last week or the other week, I find, for example, 50 stocks in the same day. Okay, so I just choose what I can buy, and the others I just leave. Okay, some of the subscribers, they ask me, oh, okay, why we don't do a paid subscription, and you give us those stocks. We don't want to learn anything. We know how to trade. Okay, so some people are funny. Okay. They say we know how to trade. The most important thing is we don't get these stocks very quick, because I'm telling you, for me, in order that I succeed, I should buy the stock the first day or the second day I get a signal. Okay, and then later, some stocks, they go 1 week, 2 weeks, 3 weeks, and then they just change into range. Okay, some other stocks have a very long trend, because I see they go up, they go do a small correction, they go up, this small correction, they go up. This is good for people who have good breath. It means they can wait 1 year or two, like people who do investing. But since me, I don't do investing because I lock my money. I don't want to lock my money into some stocks and wait. This is some people, they can invest for the long run. Some people, they can't. This is depending on your style of trading. Okay, if you can wait that long from some stocks, and if they continue to go up, okay, this is a big problem, because you will never know. That's why when you invest, you take too much time, more than 1 year. Okay, investing is always more than 1 year, because 6 months it's not investing. Okay, so you should have, and even the tax. If the stock, you hold the tax for 1 year and more, they tax you 15% in general, most of the time. But if you hold the stock for less, like 9 months, 6 months, or 1 day or 2 or 1 week, this is called an income. Okay, when it is an income, they tax you the same as they tax you when you go to the job. Okay, it's the same thing, because you get an income, they tax you depending on how much you earn the whole year. Okay, so these paid services that I'm speaking about, are now. One, they told me why not to explain your strategy, to do workshops. This is one thing. A lot of people. Now, why they ask me this? Because I understand why. Because some people, they don't have money to spend like for one-to-one training. Okay? And they ask me, what if you have a lot of people and you reduce the amount that we pay? Now, this is a good idea. It means for a majority of people who want to learn but less expensive than to do the whole training. Now, some of my students, they have done the whole training and they are trading now. But some others, they want a paid subscription where it is less. Okay? Some, they ask me for stocks only. Okay? They want just stocks. They say, okay, this kind of service, it exists in other websites. Okay? For example, if you've heard about investors.com, maybe you have heard of it. It's based on one who writes about investing for the long run, and he just is fundamentally fundamentally it's fundamentals. It means they look at the competition, they look at the management of the company, they choose each month, they choose some and they send it to the guys who subscribe. Okay? Now, they told me, why not you do the same service but with your strategy, not with the other strategy? Because for me, looking at the company itself, most of the time is for investing. The people who have too much money and they want to put a lot of money into some companies and they sleep. Now, for me, I don't give my money to a company and I sleep, and other guys do whatever with my money. If they short it, if they short my money, it means they short the stock. The company, it could be $100, it could be next year $10. Who knows? So I can't just give my money. It's a passive way to do trading, which is investing. Passive way. It means you just buy and you leave it. And you don't know. Maybe you lose 10%, 20, 30 the first year. And you say, oh, I am investing, let it for many years, and you will see. Okay, you lose 20% the first year, and then you lose 40% next year. And then 2 years, 3 years, 4 years, you lose almost all your money. Okay, and this I am against. I am, in general, if you want to invest, you should go and do mutual funds or ETF. Mutual funds, because they change the stock, so it's better. They give you the average of the market. Now, so as I told you, some people, they ask me to do a paid service for training, and some they ask me to do a paid service for stocks. Okay, I send them stocks that they find, and there is another choice, third choice. I want to teach 10 people at the same time. Now, I found I use right now a software called TeamViewer. I use it one-to-one. It's excellent. I can see your screen, you can see my screen, and we can talk. I can speak, I can explain to I explain to you, and you can talk, which is a very good thing. But I have never used it for more than one, for 10 or 20. I have never used it. So in this coming weekend, I will try to announce, maybe I need 10 people or more, and just we try we try this team viewer if it is a good software to teach, okay? Because there are other some softwares that you can teach with, but they have problems, so I don't know. So I will try to use it first and try to see if it's good. TeamViewer I have used one-to-one, it's excellent. The voice is excellent, and you can see my screen. I can even go to your screen and see your screen, which almost of the time I don't need it. So I need that you see to my screen because I teach and I explain. Now, the explanation that I give in my channel, okay? All explanation in a video is a very important information that I give, okay? But if I want to go into details, I should be paid for that, okay? Understand that this thing is not free, okay? All what I give in channel is part of the training. Some people, they recognize a lot of things and they find a lot of things they don't know, but my training offers more because this thing that I explain, I can give more and more and more information. So this is a deep information. This is because of my strategy. So I can't give you more for free. Okay. So and this is all for this video. So I announced these 3 services. So the first service I announce is I will have a service for stocks, only stocks. People, they ask me, okay, whenever you find stocks, each month, it should be each month subscription. And I have searched online, there are some websites, it means video providers, that you do only paid services, because YouTube, they don't allow this. They need you to have 10,000 subscriptions, 10,000 subscribers in order to do paid service. Now for me, my channel is right now is around 1,800 subscribers, so I can't do that service from YouTube. Okay, so maybe I will use another video provider, or I will try to figure out. So for you, if you know something about these video providers, if you know if you have an opinion about what I say, or what you should want to do, or what you ask me to do, it means in the future, just give me your opinions either by commenting here on the video, or you send me a private message. I know you guys, there are a lot of people who know a lot about software, about paid subscription, about other things. I have no idea. I have just general ideas about this. So if you have ideas, let me know. So the services that I'm thinking of is a service of sending stocks, okay, for a month subscription, or some people who can't pay more money to one-to-one like training course. So I will give them the opportunity to have my strategy on a monthly basis subscription, okay? And you subscribe, and I will put videos one by one, and maybe I number them. At least if you don't have time to go today or tomorrow to your to this video provider, you don't have time, so you study them one after one, and when there is a number, you at least will understand this is the beginning, this is the end, okay? And I will do those who don't want to wait, okay? Some people, they don't want to wait just to subscribe and to wait for each video, which may be very long, because you know, my way of trading is a continuous training. It's not just in one day or two. I can give you everything, but the most important thing is you need to train yourself, because when you begin to train, you do mistakes, Because most of the people, they don't know. It's not a problem of the market. It's not a problem of strategy. The problem is you. Okay? In trading, and some people, they say, oh, we can do that. We can do that. We are very good. We control ourselves. We do what you ask. No, you tell me this, but later you go and you do some stupid thing. Okay, and then you lose money, and then you say, oh, I lose money. I lose a lot of money. Okay. Most of the time, those people who get my training, if they lose just little. Because if they do what I ask them to do, okay, they will not lose like 10% or 20%. It's foolish thing to do. Okay, so, and I will use the third service. I will use a software where I can teach like 10 people at the same time. Okay, so this could be quick. Okay, quick. It could take. I always like to do 2 sessions, but people who want more hours, since they are beginners, I can give more hours, maybe 1 month training, but each week I give them some videos explaining from A to Z. It means everything from the beginning to the end, what you should do, how do you buy, how to select your stocks, how to follow them in watch list, how to buy, how to put stop loss, how to get your money. That's it. You get your money, either you lose or you make profit. But most of the time you will make the money. I will show you where to look at the market. It's impossible that whole market is going down. There are some stocks still they go up, so you can find them. Okay? And there are some industries that go down, some industries go up. So you should, because when you see some stocks in TV or you see a lot of things, you don't understand why this stock is going up, why the other is going down, because you don't understand. You don't understand a lot of things about trading. That's why you are always confused, and you see that always there is confusion. Always when you see online, you find some websites announcing net change or percentage or something, and you tell yourself why these stocks go up, why the others go down. Now there is no trick in that. Okay, it's just movement of the money. People, they move their money. Mutual funds, they move their money. Now you should follow mutual funds. Okay, if you know how to follow them, which is my strategy, then you can make money. So please give me your feedback. Send me private messages. What are you asking and what do you want me to do? I decide for myself, yes, but I need your feedback. I need a lot of information from you. Okay, so thank you very much, and hope you enjoy your day. Thank you.